Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps. Thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We're going to be using the gel press and one of our stencils. We're going to be using the Elements range. We've got Sahara and we've got Olive. Taking the Sahara, I'm just going to pop that down as our base colour. Clean the brayer, and taking Olive, I'm going to ink up. Now I don't want the colour to be too strong, so I'm going to take a little off and then brayer that colour over the top of the stencil, like so. Clean your brayer, and then remembering to put it face down onto your gel press, and then we're just going to go over the top. Take that off, and then using the multifarious card, I'm going to just simply pop that over the top, give it a smooth over, and there we have our lovely background. And that's just perfect because it's nice and subtle, so when we stamp over that we're not going to lose the stamp, so it's very much in the background. Obviously, if you wanted stronger colours, you can use stronger colours, that's not a problem, but for today I just wanted something very light. Firstly, we're going to be using our Toadstool, and I'm going to ink up in the Nocturne. And let's pop that down around about here. Just give it a good press. Let it rest on the card. And now we're going to use the lovely Oona, and we're going to ink her up in the Nocturne too. And then we're going to pop her right on the top. And give her a good press. Okay. So I've got our lovely grass here as well, and this time I'm going to use the Twilight. I'm going to ink up, and I'm going to just take off and then stamp. Ink up, take off and stamp. I've got another little foliage stamp here, and this time I'm going to use Warm Breeze. So ink up, take off, ink up, take off, and now I'm going to pop one of our masks down at the base of the toadstool, and then taking the twilight I'm just going to smooth that. And just build your colour gradually. And then with the rest of the ink on the brush, I'm just going to blend that in. I'm going to just paint a little bit into the mushrooms here. And I've got some watercolour paints here, so I'm going to just water down the red. I don't want it to be too bright because the colours are quite subtle on this, and I want to keep it that way. So we've got our jelly roll pen, and this is the sparkly one. So I can just go straight over the top of her wings, and it doesn't affect them at all. It just colours in a beautiful sparkle. I'll try and show you that. I'm not sure you can see it, but I've got some Posca pens here, and I'm just going to put a few little orbs down at the bottom here. Let's put a few red ones. And then lastly, let's pop a little bit of glitter around. So again, I'm just putting a few little dots. Could put a little bit of glue just over the top of the mushroom as well. And then let's pick a glitter. We've got Fairytales here, so I'm just going to pop a little bit over the top there, and then tap off, and there it is. Another really quick, easy card to make. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye for now.